Collect all your laundry neatly and out of sight with this handy Brabantia Laundry bin. The smart design has made it very easy for laundry to be thrown in and to be taken out again. This is because the lid has been equipped with a quick drop opening, which can stay in place when you want to put laundry in. Plus, the lid can be removed when you want to take laundry out. Is it laundry day? The laundry bin has a removable washable cotton laundry bag with a handy Velcro fastener, perfect for taking the laundry straight down to the washing machine. The ventilation holes at the bottom will prevent the laundry from suffocating, and the plastic bottom edge serves to protect the floor. The laundry bin has a warm, natural look as a result of its cork lid and is available in various different colours and sizes. The laundry bin has a capacity of 60 litres, is 64 centimetres in height and has a diameter of 38 centimetres. And it comes with an impressive 10-year Brabantia guarantee.